Hello everyone, today you'll see a cool do-it-yourself project using an old keyboard. First, we need to take it apart. We just need the keyboard circuit board. Let's set it aside for now and take a piece of board measuring 10 by 8. Using a template I cut out of cardboard, we mark the board. Now we need to cut this with a jigsaw. We use sandpaper to even it out. This is how it should look. I made another identical piece out of plywood, and using a compass, you need to mark it, stepping 1 centimeter from the edge. Next we make a mark and drill a hole. And now we cut out the inner part. Now we have 2 parts to glue together. To make everything fit well, you need to sand the glued parts a little. We'll also need a piece of thin plywood, from which we need to cut out a lid. I'm cutting it out with a hand jigsaw, since the plywood is very thin and could break. Now we place the lid on the so-called body of our future homemade item, drill a hole and screw in the screws. And finally, we screwed everything in tightly. I also cut out templates from cardboard, which should be used to mark the front part of the body. This is about how it should look. Now using an 8mm drill bit, we make small indentations. After making the indentation with a 2mm drill bit, we drill through holes. We make another hole on the side with a 3mm drill bit, and the last hole on the front side also with a 3mm drill bit. Then I took old circuit boards to desolder the tactile switches. We soldered small wires to the button contacts. Next, insert the buttons into the recess. After adding the buttons, we fill the insole with wood filler. When the filler dries, we sand everything. And this is how it looks. And this is how it looks after painting. Let's go back to the keyboard circuit board, from which we need to desolder the original cable. We also need to desolder one LED. We solder wires to the LED and place it in the case. We also need to feed the cord into the case. Next, solder the LED wires to the board and replace the original cord following the on-screen diagram. Next, we remove the film from the keyboard to see which contacts the button traces connect to. Then we clean the board contacts and solder the button wires to them. After soldering, we place everything inside, close the cover and tighten the screws. And as you can see, we've got this wonderful joystick. Now let's move on to testing it. As you can see, everything works. If you like the video, please give it a like and share it with your friends. Also, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the bell. It's easy for you to do and it would make me happy. Thank you all for your attention.